Alam mo kung bakit? Papaiyak ako eh. Hindi, naglagay kasi ako ng eye drops just before it's blurry. It's a, ano kasi yan, it's a, how would you call it, lubricant. Alam mo kung bakit ako tatakbo ng vice presidency? Is it ambition? Maybe. But is it really a sense of love of country? Yes. Is it really because I want to see the continuity of my efforts even though I may not be the one giving the direction? Baka makatulong lang ako. Alam mo, alam ninyo na nag-alaman natin na ang problema, droga pa rin, terorismo. Nandyan yung NPA. Well, of course, it's quite inusulo now. Yung NPA, hindi pa hanggang ngayon, it is really the one factor that's pulling us down. Sa Mindanao, on Universe, yung mga farming corporations, yung sinusunog yung takto, it's still terrorism in Mindanao. Kaya gusto ko nandyan lang ako makatingin at makapagsabi. Iba na yung kasing ano ka. And of course, kung ano, kailangan may somebody just to tell them na, alam mo, Adre, just i-nudge. Kung hindi mo kapartido yung presidente na, alam mo, ito nagkulang tayo dito. Dapat ito gawin natin.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.